So today I am waiting a little bit longer to execute some trades because your your boy ready to get people. I ain't trying to get got.
No, but that's wisdom as in life, man. 'Cause the deal is, like, you're amped up on that. If it affects your judgment, that's not what you want.
Yep, no.
You're a different kind of person, man. You're operating on a different covenant.
100%. Good morning, Smooth. Good morning, market makers. Good morning, YouTube. We're back once again. We're going to try making some money today. I may be a little bit more amped and fired up today. Dealt with the disruption in one of my businesses today. So that got me like overly amped, put it that way.
Somebody was eating on post again. I just know it.
No, it wasn't that. It was not that. I wish that was. It's nothing crazy, right? So technically nobody really did anything wrong. But since my company's a dictatorship, not a democracy, they're not doing it how I want it to be done.
Well,
and that got me pissed off.
I mean, let me just correct you on that stuff, because what you're doing is excellent, because these days people are coming out and asking for all these accommodations and expecting them and stuff. And if you go to work for a place, you need to like mirror that place. I mean, if that means dress code, and it doesn't matter about your social justice shit or anything else. Like, you're there to do a job. You know what I mean? Because I mean, there's people at my other work, and they'd be like, "All trying." It's like, I don't fucking care. You're what's on your fucking name tag. I don't give a damn what you think, as long as you can get your job done. You know what I mean? And you know, I'm damn sure, like, not learning any pronouns. Fuck that shit.
So just the joys, the joys. Let's see what we got here. Let me pull up the charts for the first time a day.
Like, he's like, okay, let me, Steve, like, he's right.
Let's see. All right, so today in one of my accounts, I got put in only $700 so I could request a 2K payout with Tradeify. But today on stream, I am requesting a 2K payout with Lucid. We'll do that probably between 9:30 and 9:45. We're gonna request that payout. Give me something to do other than try taking a trade. We do have news today. Let me pull all that stuff up.
I thought it was like at 8:30. Was it?
We had 8:30 news, but we also have 10 o'clock news as well. Well, no, that's 10:30 news. And we had all the 8:30. So we got 10:30 news today. 10:30 news. EIA natural gas. So gas stuff at 10:30. Good morning. Good morning. Alrighty. Reset this. Well, good morning, Rob. Let's get it, bro. I need to make some money today. Slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. Good morning, Scucks. Hopefully you boys are ready to execute this morning. I may be waiting a little bit longer than normal today to execute trades. I dealt with the disruption today in one of my businesses. So whenever stuff like that happens, I know I'm not completely there in the right mental space to execute trades.
Yeah, but you know, it's like you're doing what it takes to get things in line, man.
No, 100%. This line over here. There we go. Look at that selling pressure right there. We will be requesting probably at 9. We'll request like at 9:35 a 2K max payout from Lucid this morning. We're going to do that live. And we're going to see how fast this time it drops. Last time we did it live, it took 30 minutes. Let's see today how fast the payout will drop.
But remember, it was like 10 minutes, and you already got the confirmation email that it was coming. So that's cool.
That is. Your Ninja's super laggy? Well, that's never good. Oh, now I'm looking at mine to see. Mine's pretty similar, I would say. Mine's pretty similar right now. If your Ninja's laggy, are you on the actual like the web based or like on the software on your computer? Because just disconnect and reconnect in your under your connections tab. Yeah, you gonna piss me off. For the rest of the stream, if you see me getting ready to grab my phone, tell me don't touch my phone, folks. Because if I touch my phone, I may get pissed off even more. So. Smooth, it's not about your Wi-Fi. It could just be the connection on NinjaTrader. So just disconnect your connection in your your dashboard on Ninja. Go to connections, disconnect, and then reconnect to whichever firm you're trading. That should help. Okay, you think is your okay? Just read the rest of your thing. My bad. My badness. My bad. All right, it's 9:27 actually. Dang, I'm behind the party here. We're currently below the VWAP. VWAP is sitting at 88575. 88575. The 21 EMA. The 21 EMA is sitting right around 731. 731.
Wow, we're neighbors again.
Hey, we'll take it. We got that pivot point, 670 for the pivot. We have a pivot above us as well at 92875. 92875. Let me see where our close was from yesterday.
Morning, everybody.
Morning, Mitch.
Hey, Duane, the market is closed tomorrow?
Tomorrow's Good Friday. Tomorrow is Good Friday. So the banks are closed. So the futures market may still be. I haven't even checked that. Thank you for reminding me. But I normally don't like trading when the banks aren't trading.
Okay.
18725. 18725 is the close from yesterday. Alex, we are trading the Nasdaq futures. Good morning. Let me see about tomorrow. We're getting ready for that bell or ding. I'll be waiting until 9:45. At 9:35, we're going to request a max payout from Lucid this morning.
And they're also really fast. Like if you buy an account, right? It's like it'll populate quick as well, right?
Say that again? Yeah, if you buy the account, it's like normally like 2 or 3 minutes for it to populate.
Population, trepidation.
Okay, so the markets are closed tomorrow for us. Closes at 9 a.m. Eastern time.
So are you gonna come up here and start using?
What'd you say, Duane?
For us, the markets will be closed tomorrow for Good Friday.
Are you gonna? Are you gonna come on and stream about like talking about ways that we can get better ourselves and?
Probably
Oh, yeah.
not. Probably not. But I will use the time to record some videos for the YouTube. Record some videos, like some educational videos, all that good stuff.
Oh, here we go, baby.
Are you waiting for a sale? No. Market just opened. I'm not waiting for anything till 9:45. I wait the first 15 minutes to make sure the markets are a little bit more calm and collected. I don't like sporadic.
Hey, Duane, I appreciate you, man. All the work you put in. I just want to say that.
Steve, I appreciate you, man, for showing up each and every day, listening to me jabber. You know what I'm saying?
Well, it's like I'm not much of a talker, so I could at least be a listener.
Yeah, Steve, you are not much of a talker whatsoever. I will say, I am thankful for all my market makers and all my founders of the community that you guys are still here. You know what I'm saying? That this is something that you guys really attached to and have been thriving with.
Oh, yeah. And it's just like, the crew is amazing. We got Big G, the legend. I don't know if he probably doesn't hear us again, but whatever we say, he never answers. But yeah, the legend, he's there somewhere.
Let me check my audio on YouTube just to make sure we're sounding crispy. Today is one of those days where I'm like excited to go work out because how things. Whoa, what the? Oh, it's a whole ad. I'm like, what is this? That's not my voice.
Yeah, my
all right, we're good.
Not gonna be here today, so so I'm working out alone. But
hey, at least you're still putting in that work, not taking it off.
Like I've committed. Like you know that about me. It's like it might take me a second, but as soon as I decided I was gonna start, and I said I haven't missed a day. I'm like, okay, it's gonna be Monday. I decided when I was gonna do it, and I've hit it.
That's awesome.
Because that's how it's got to be, man.
Yep.
I don't want to be the guy that says, I'm going to start next week, and then, next week.
Yeah. Don't be that guy.
I got to be Big Daddy Bucks over here. Like, saying, like, I got to be, like, sweating at the local Chipotle, man.
I did feel like I was about to die yesterday at the Chipotle yesterday after my workout. Because I went...
Just, like, you don't even order anymore. You're just like, I'll have the usual.
I'll have the usual. No, my trainer, like, listen, the psychological warfare with my trainer is unreal. Because the night before, so yesterday was Wednesday, so Tuesday night, he texts me, hey, you're doing such a great job. Tomorrow, get excited. We got legs tomorrow. I'm all right. Whatever, kind of scared because why you text me that we got legs? I know we got legs. You already told me. Why you reminding me? I go to the gym yesterday, and we have like, there's two sides of the gym, and one side's like a little open area for like classes and stuff. So that's where we do our warm ups. So I'm like doing high knees, all that stuff, getting warmed up. I go put my stuff down. I was like, nah, pick it up. He's like, yeah, we're not warming up over here right now. We're going somewhere else. I'm like, okay, cool. We're on the other side? He's like, nah, we going outside. I'm like, huh? We were outside. They have a turf field behind the gym with like the outdoor, like, pull-up bars, ropes, all that stuff. He's like, all right, we're going to warm up out here. The first portion of the workout's outside today. And we're jogging too. I'm like, Mick, I haven't jogged in like 8 years because of my knee. He's like, oh, you doing today?
That's a lie. There's that one time you had to use the bathroom. You jogged out of here in the frame like a month.
That is true. That is true. But it was a solid workout, but boy, I was gassed. I was gassed at the end of that thing. I was done.
Sweet.
He's like, oh, you're doing such a great job. Keep it up. Like, you only got like X amount of sets left inside. I'm like, bro, I'm done already. Like, everything from here on out, I don't know what the form's gonna look like, but we will do it. Alex, no sir. Those are Renko bars. If you're on TradingView or Tradevate, to get it similar to mine, you would need the 1 second for the time frame. My candles are, those Renkos are not based off time. Those are based off price movement with ticks. So we're still above this 21 EMA. We made the high of this 15-minute range so far. Oh, it's 9:35. We got to request a payout from Lucid. 818.50 is the high right now for the session so far. Let me jump over here. Let's do this request. Request the payout. $2,000. No, that's not right. I was like, why is it? There we go. There we go. Let me make sure that's not 200. Don't want to waste a payout request on $200. Yeah, we got the 2,000. There we go. Payout request has been submitted. Let's see. Requested at 9:36. So we're going to see how fast this happens this morning. Last time it took 30 minutes. I don't need it. Well, I'll start a timer. Keep them honest, you know. How close are you to the 500K goal right now? We're only 4 months in, Smooth. We're officially 4 months in. We got a long ways to go, fam. Getting consistent payouts every single month, but I need to work on scaling. So I'm copy trading multiple accounts to hit that 500K. Good morning, folks. Hopefully you're staying safe in the markets. We just put a request in from Lucid Trading, a max payout request with them. We're going to see how fast it happens. I can take a payout on my Tradify account too, but I want to add another $700 so that way we could do a 2K payout with them also. So if we get it today, that's awesome. If not, it'll most likely be on Monday, since the markets are closed tomorrow for Good Friday. So we just printed that bear flag right there. What's up, BP?
He's alive.
He's alive and he's actually awake.
Well, don't I give him that much of a thing.
So this was the little bear flag right there. I'm waiting until 9:45 for myself before I start executing any trades. We're not risking it for the biscuit. We're waiting for our A++ setups. Man, that bear flag paying some of y'all right now. I know G had to take that one. I know he got that one. I know G got that one.
Look, I'm just waiting for him to say.
I'm still in it though. I'm from 23,743.
Yeah, I knew you took that, bro. I knew you took that, fam. Like, listen, you been around me way too long. I already know. That laugh is hilarious.
Honestly, I was waiting to hear like
Is this on your funded?
No.
Ah, okay.
No.
I'm waiting for him.
Not
to
the
pop
funded.
in it. No,
All right, so we just came down here. 15-minute range is not completed yet. We move the line down once again. And then we wait once again for another short.
Yeah,
The flags always repeat themselves. So stop fighting the market. Stop going against it. When the flags print and they continue to print, just know that's the direction the market's trying to go. You don't need to look at higher time frames to figure out nothing. The flags will let you know what direction the market wants to go.
totally.
That's simple.
And you said news was at 10:30?
Yeah, we got news at 10:30 dealing with like the gas or whatever.
Yeah.
I totally forgot to do something on my chart because I was fired up this morning. Let's see here. Let me do it now. Oh, wasn't trying to do that, but okay. The overnight. I do always mark my charts out normally in the morning where I remember the overnight high, overnight low, everything like that.
Yes, sir.
Just so that way I have a reference point. All right, we're good there. All right, I'm back. I'm back. Your boy's back. Hey, anything not FOMO at trades right now and not aggravate myself again.
No, I mean, it's tough with that business stuff, man.
Yeah, it's not for the faint of hearts, that's for sure. Look at that selling pressure on that 5-minute candle currently. We got less than 3 minutes now where I'm officially cleared to trade.
It's
And
official, baby.
if this wants to wait for me, your boy will not be complaining.
Oh, yeah, the man is ready to take it to the bank.
So let's get some more. Oh, I gotta do that too. Man, what a day. What a day. I gotta order some protein powder. I ordered some off Amazon, but it said the delivery is running late, and that's never good.
Yeah,
And I need some for my workout today.
That drives me crazy, and it's like, we're sorry, and then it's like, okay.
Like, okay. No, I don't need vegan protein powder.
Made with real broccoli.
Let's see what flavors they got.
Hey,
Warrior blend.
Lima bean would be good for you. Nice lima bean like flavored vegan protein powder.
I'll probably just do with some like chocolate. I can't do I cannot do the what's it called? Like vanillas or anything like that.
Oh yeah. Well, since I have a flock, right? I mean, it's like I have all the eggs I can handle. So I mean, it's silly for me to buy any protein because it's like we're literally like storing eggs like long term, like water glass in them, like they did in, so it's incredible.
Yeah.
It'd be bougie for me to buy protein.
All right. Ordering my stuff from Sprouts real quick here. I'm trying anything possible so I don't jump into the markets prematurely.
Oh, wait, I thought it was a trading thing, but this is watching Duane shop online. How exciting.
No, honestly, we got that bear flag. I need this to hurry up. Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. All right, there we go. All right, it's 9:45 too. Check that out. Looks good. Let's go. Order confirmed. We'll take order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order failed. Order. Order
That be
failed.
funny, like you're on Amazon and it does that. Like, who traded? Who traded?
I'm trying
What's
to-
up, Warrior?
I'm trying to
What's
get
up,
one more
Lost?
funded. I'm trying to get one more funded on my on this eval, but
Okay.
So yeah, I would have started. I would have started on the funded, but man, I just want to take my time and just be short. You know?
Yeah, well, that's wise, because sometimes it's like you did that introductory trade and just kind of get a feeling, get a toe in the water.
Mm-hmm.
Rhonda, what firm? Would take profit? If you already passed the eval to make 5 trading days, you still have to trade the 5 trading days. Remember, you can't have like more than 50% of your profits on one day. If it's a 50K account, you still have to hit that $3,000. But it's the same usual, like $150 per 150 bucks normally. That's the industry standard. That's why Apex is different now. They just switched over to $250 for a trading day. All right, so the low of this 15-minute range, is 678. The high of the range, the high of this range this morning is sitting there at 818.50. Andrew, yes, you can flip. If you already have the trading days and you hit the profit target and you just need a couple more days or whatever, if you don't have your trading days, but everything else is good, you can literally just put a trade on and close it. That's how you flip.
You just have to make like $150 and then you just close out, right?
If you're just flipping, you just need to open a trade.
That's it? Okay.
Yeah.
So you could even just put on like a micro so you're just protecting your ass.
Yep. All right, so we're above the middle of this 15-minute range. We're above the middle of the 15-minute range here. What's flipping? Flipping is literally when you just put it, you just need a trading day to count, but you already have your profit target, your consistency, everything like that. So that's like on take profit, you just open a trade and close it. That's called flipping. When I flip, I always make sure I'm actually looking for a trade, but I'll trade like one contract. But you could drop it down to like micros as well.
You're just showing off as always.
No, nobody's showing off. Not today. We may build a bull flag right here. We're going to see. I'm still hands off. Like, I got to see an A++ setup. Let me make sure this is even the right account that I'm getting ready to put a trade on. That would be bad. All right, yeah, that's the right one. If we make some monies, we good. I requested a 2K payout this morning at 9:35. From Apex, not Apex. Jesus, I'm all over the place today. My bad, folks. From Lucid. And we're waiting to see how fast everything drops into the account. I got my stopwatch going. Last time it took 30 minutes.
Did they
We're gonna
send
see.
you the thing that it's accepted and it's cleared and all that?
I did get the email. Let me go over to the email here. Payout request received. It was received at 9:36. So a minute after putting it in, the payout request was received. There will be no morning stream tomorrow. No morning stream tomorrow.
Damn,
The markets
man.
are closed. The
Why
markets
don't
are
you
closed.
Like, do like a freestyle session, you know what I mean? Like just rap about things in your life.
Just wrap. No, I'm gonna use the time tomorrow morning to record some educational videos for y'all. Because I've made a promise to y'all that I'm gonna post one long form video a week in the month of April. I technically posted a vlog this week, so that's one done. So I gotta do 3 more. All right, we popped through my yellow line there. Let's see if we get a little bit more push.
I just got a text that says my son is absent from school, but I checked his GPS and he's there. So it's like
That's
I
not
just had to
good.
No, I just had to make sure that there was nothing nefarious going on.
Yeah.
And I celebrated my daughter's 21st birthday yesterday. That was pretty cool.
That's awesome. That's so crazy.
Mm-hmm. So I have 2 that are over 21 now.
Woo! More power to you. More power to you, sir.
And 3 of them are considered adults now. So now it's like, got to get the last one to 18 and then faint.
Done. 920 right there. Cha-ching. Just secured a 2K payout right there with Tradeify. We're done. We're done, boys. We'll take that. We will gladly take that right there. Another 2K payout. So I'll request that. The banks are closed tomorrow. Decisions. Let's see how fast the new dashboard works, because if it pops up, I'll see if I can request the 2K payout right away.
It's like the Duane Broom payout show.
You get a payout. You get a payout. You get a payout. One of those. That's what I'm trying to get you to. We broke out of that 15-minute range. Let's
do Apex too, so you got 3 payouts on the same day going. Compare, contrast. That'd be a good video. That would actually be a really good video, Dwayne.
the battle of the firms. That's what we would call it. The battle of the firms.
I'm serious. If you did that in that format, that would be huge. People that would pick up search trends, and people would be curious about that. Oh, you're touching that V swap.
Let me rotate to the next account. And we keep the party going. We just keep the party going, folks. Hopefully you're enjoying But first trade of the day, I closed at 1,000, got 920 on it. We'll still take it. $1,000 a day keeps the bills away. It's on my shirt, so trust me, it's the truth. If it's on the shirt, it's real. If it's not on the shirt, that's when you gotta question it. Just saying. Smooth, take your base hits, bro. Base hits are how you make consistent payouts. It's not swinging for the fence. Base hits is how you keep getting consistent payouts, folks. There's no such thing as a trader that's trading with prop firms that's swinging for the fence, getting consistent payouts consistently. Base hits is how you get consistent payouts.
My goodness.
Once a flag pole forms, how many pullbacks do you need to qualify a flag? Honestly, on the 2 minute, the A++ setups it'll be like right in your face, right? The flag will be right in your face. Like you see the perfect structure. But sometimes you'll have a flag like the one we had that I took. It only had the one red candle and then the next one was green, but I was waiting for the follow through. I was not going to take it if it didn't have enough follow through. Smooth, that's okay, bro. Bro, that's okay. Hey, day 18 on this eval, that's okay. You want to know why you haven't blown it? That account's alive 18 days later. That's consistency, sir. I commend you.
Commendation time.
We're sitting right here at this VWAP. We have not come back down to the high of this 15-minute range. Only 10% of the time we push out that 15-minute range and never go back to retest it. So, with that in mind, we're going to have to play it somewhat safe because I don't want to take a long and then it just instantly comes right back down to the high of that 15-minute range. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
But let's see if we get another flaggy flag.
Well, we got about 2 minutes and 45 seconds until 10 o'clock.
Ooh, good call out, Steve. With that information, I'm not going to take a trade till after 10. Playing it safe. Playing it safe.
You also wanted to get out from under the, or figure out what it's doing with the VWAP too.
Yep. I think Steve's been learning from these streams. That good old market maker right there.
Hey man, I keep it light, but I'm here to learn.
No, I love that. I love that. All right, so ooh, Nellies. All right, my first target to the high side here is 889. 88925 is my first target. That's some knowledge college. You ain't lying, Laws. You ain't lying. I want to see another flag. We're getting ready to swipe that target I just called out. Let's go, Skunks. All right, so we just hit that first target. If we could build a flag above that first target, I'd be interested. I would be interested. And let me actually see how much I need in this account. Because this account I'm working on will be a payout for next week. Yep, smart move, Skunk, smart move.
1 minute warning on that 10 o'clock.
Thank you, Steve. Less than a minute for 10 o'clock, so be prepared. Be prepared, folks. Don't say I didn't tell you, because it's coming. So that one I need like $1,200 for a $1,500 payout on this one. Okay. We're not going to push, but man, gosh golly, this thing's still pumping. We got that pivot up there, 928.75, 928.75 there. We have not gotten another flag. I can only, like, every trader says this and does this, right? When you close a trade in the green and then it keeps going, you're like, man, I should have held. Listen, I feel that way too, but I'd rather lock in the profit and know it's in the account than potentially lose it. That's how I overcome that feeling, okay?
Yeah, we're coming up. It's 10 o'clock.
Yeah, it's 10:11. Well, 10 and 11, 14 seconds now.
You confused me with that. But
Yeah, I confuse myself. See, I'm all over the place today. Not gonna lie.
And it's going through that whole number too, so that's interesting. 23.9, baby.
If we could build a bull flag up here, I'll be targeting that pivot point. I'll be targeting that pivot point above us. If we could build us a flag. 92875 would be my target. And this is something I was talking about. I wanted us to build a flag above this first target I had from the 15-minute range, which is 88925. 88925. What's up, Brett? Good morning, sir. Let's see if we could get this.
Let's start rocking and rolling.
We're going to be rocking and rolling. Let's get her done. Oh, that's what I should be. Oh, ooh. I heard my mouse click. I got scared. I'm like, what computer is it on? Oh, Jesus. That's nerve-wracking right there. All right, so I can request the payout on Tradeify. So I already had the one-timer going. It's 24 minutes. Payout was approved. The payout was approved from Lucid. My certificate is ready as well. And I got that at 9:57. 9:57. The payout is officially complete. Oh, so does that mean it's already in the bank? It said officially complete. Hold the phone, folks. Hey, it's already in the account. So that time, so at 9:57, I got the thing saying the payout was complete. So 27 minutes. All right. So about 27 minutes-ish for the payout from Lucid. Now we're going to request a 2K payout from Tradeify. Let's see how fast this payout goes. I think that works for everybody. Request a payout. Not Tradeify. They have a new dashboard, so that this just congratulated me. Congratulations, we sent you 12 payouts totaling 19,250 for this year so far. We'll take that. Okay, so I can't request a payout yet on this. I can request a payout on this account right now, but it does not. I guess it will happen end of day for the amount that I made to populate in the payout side. So I'll hold off on that.
Yeah, they're hoping that you'll throw it on the line and gamble it a little bit.
Yep, nope. We simply rotate. That's it. We make our money and rotate. Good job, Motion. Good job, bro. I love to see y'all winning. Well, BP, today I felt like today was faster. The last time was like 30 minutes. This time was 27, 3 minutes faster. This is looking like a potential bull flag here. Let's see if we get it. Let me see some follow through with momentum, and we taking it. We do have some selling pressure. Just patiently waiting, patiently waiting. And I feel like someone in the back of the class said he didn't just get a 2K payout. Whoever said that, well, actually, you're right. After the fees, it was 1,800, but There you go. 1,800 from Lucid Trading. That's off a 2K payout. They get their 10%, and we keep it moving.
Render under Caesar.
Motion, if you're up to date 620 in your funded account, my recommendation, this is just me, rotate to another account, sir. Lock in that 620 a day. Monday, come back because markets are closed tomorrow and continue your base hits. Steve's with the laughter. I don't know if that's good or bad.
Well, I just saw your doodle come up. I'm like, oh, he's getting ready. Just as you were doing that, I was looking at my screen and it's the same. You know what I mean? Put the line so it's just like, yeah.
Yeah, we're trying to print some monies.
Money cometh, baby.
That it does.
Momentum, right? Come on, baby.
There's the yellow line. I'm in.
Come on, go to the top.
$570 on that trade. I closed. I could have waited longer. But it's the base hit. $570. I'm good. I'm okay with that. Just saying. Just freaking saying. Quick 570 trade right there. And we rotate once again. And technically, I could trade that Lucid account that I got that payout on to get the trading day counted.
I actually took that trade on one of my personal accounts.
Let's go.
So I just paid for like groceries today on that one trade.
Hey, let's go. Hey, that's a win. That's a win.
No, fucking hey. You know, people can say what they want, but it's just like, that's cash in my wallet. You know what I'm saying?
Like, that's funny that you said that, right? Because yesterday, Motion, please stop, fam. Please freaking stop, Motion. If you're trading your fund account, please freaking stop, bro. I want you getting your payout. I want you to get your payout, sir.
Get an eval if you feel like trading.
Yeah, if you want to keep trading, bro, and you're on a heater, get some other accounts. Code LWS with Tradeify. Keep it going. You know what I'm saying? But do not risk your profits in that funded account because you're trading pretty well today. Do not over trade because that's when you get in trouble. Motion, I feel you, but don't be coming to me next week, but bro, I blew that account because I'm gonna say, remember last Thursday I said stop trading, you didn't listen, so I don't want to hear it. Okay, no, I'm done for that. All right, Motion, put it in the community discussion, bro, in Legacy, so everybody can see you winning, fam. I won't believe it until I see it. Hey, let's go, Niner. Niner caught a good trade. 334 for the day. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go, boys. I love seeing y'all winning. It gets me so excited. It gets me so excited seeing y'all win, being real. Do you understand the 50K trailing funded from Lucid, though? Do I understand the trailing drawdown on Lucid? Yes.
Don't draw down, and then you don't got to worry about it.
Facts, Steve. You ain't lying. Niner, I'm glad you've been able to learn just from these streams. Nah, Laws, you the GOAT, bro. Oh, you did 560, bro? Did you do 560, sir? Let's freaking go, boys. Hey, let's freaking go, boys. Yo, everybody's winning in this freaking chat. Let's freaking go. I love it. I love it. We're here at this pivot point. We are here at this pivot point right now, waiting, anticipating, and we're going to see what we get here. I want another flag. If we get another flag, I got a second target up here above this pivot, which is 959. Actually 959.50. 959.50 is my second target from the high of the 15-minute range here. So with that being said, I need to see another bull flag with momentum for us to execute. That's what I'd be looking for. Let's see what we get. I pulled you out of the drawdown, bro. Jay. Hey, at least y'all are winning today. That's all that matters to me. Like, this is not financial advice. This is entertainment purposes only. Please remember that. If you get schooled one day when I'm trading chop, don't get mad at me. I tell you, I suck at trading chop. Like, do not follow me if I'm trading chop. At least I'm honest about it. But awesome, awesome. Love to see all y'all printing, boys. Hey, this is our Friday, technically. So the fact that you guys are going out with a bang today got me fired freaking up. And I'm not gonna lie, I dealt with the disruption this morning. That kind of had me off my game. I was pissed off. I was ready to throw my computers, smack some folks, smack some bait. Like, I was ready to do it all day. But being here with y'all, oh, just hit that second target. Without the flag, though, which is annoying because I wanted the flaggy flag, but we did not get it. Where are we going? Where are we going? We get above my second target here. I'll be able to call out the third target for the day. But that 24,000 seems like that's where the market's trying to go.
I agree.
But back to something that Steve said, right? He made money today, put money in his pocket, pay for his groceries.
Well, that was that one trade. That single trade is buying my groceries, or the groceries for a 6-person family.
No, and that's crazy, and that's awesome, right? But yesterday when I was talking with my trainer, because he's a trader as a hobbyist, stocks, everything like that. I'm like, bro, my life is completely free. He's like, huh? I'm like, yeah, my life is free. He's like, what do you mean? I'm like, listen, I click a button and I make more than what people make in a year. You know what I'm saying? Like, from clicking simple buttons, right? So for me, I never go into my actual pocket to pay for stuff. Hey, I want to do something cool. I'll trade. Click some buttons. Bam. There's a trip. Bam. There's something for the family. Whatever's needed. You know what I'm saying? Just from clicking a button. Our lives are, when you trade correctly, your life is completely for free. Because you're no longer working, exchanging time for money. That's the craziest part about this. You're using your money to make more money. Boy, don't get me started. I'm ready to preach today. Back down to this pivot point. Let's see if we get some bullish momentum. This could be our little flaggy flag right here.
He's moving it up.
Yeah, I moved it up. I did. You caught me, Steve. You caught me. Let's see what we get here. Are we getting ready to build some structure for this flag? I gotta figure out. I gotta do something for my immune system today. I feel like my body's trying to like catch a cold. I don't like that feeling.
You should be taking like fire cider, stuff like that.
Fire cider?
Yeah.
They'll burn it out of me.
Well, it's like, you know, my wife, she's, you know, she's, studying like herbalism and stuff. So there's all these like things. And it's like a fermented drink that she makes, but it like it definitely clears your system. And then like if you're lifting and stuff like that, it's also really good to have like a collagen based stuff. So like bone broths, stuff like
Yeah.
that. So we make like for me, we make our own bone broth. So I'm taking that. And you know what I mean? Because obviously I'm pushing really hard, like in the weight room. I mean, especially training, like being my personal best, and I haven't got injured. So, you know, chalk it up to stuff like that.
Hey, let's go. Let's go, bro. Congrats, Motion. Love to see it, fam. Love to freaking see it. Up 1,200 for the day.
Are we going up, baby? Look it.
Oh, I'm waiting for my yellow line. If we go through my yellow line with momentum, I'm in.
Why wasn't I wasn't looking at your yellow line?
On the 2 minute. Smash a clove of garlic, let it sit for 5 minutes, swallow and drink with warm water. I don't know why. No, that sounds disgusting. Not gonna lie.
No, that is.
But it probably works. Like, it probably does work.
It's definitely, garlic is definitely a component. We also make tinctures here, so, you know, like we start getting like sick, and that's like suspended stuff. So garlic is one that's amazing. Whoa. Oh my God, that latency.
Yeah, that was a bad one.
Is it still like, are you in a trade with a blue?
I am. I'm gonna close that. I just closed that. That was weird.
What was that? It was like, did it ever put you in?
It put me in, but like a partial put in.
Okay.
And that was on 2 accounts right there. Did it put me in on both? Yeah, it put me in on both accounts. Kind of glad I did close because...
Yeah, it just came right back down.
Yeah. Hey, Smooth, we'll take it, right? We'll take it.
Where's the Colonel? Is the Colonel still in the chat?
BP, you still in here, bro? The Steve Meister is asking. That selling pressure stepped in pretty hard right there.
It did. It basically took that whole like play out. At least it was smooth about it.
I should have closed earlier though when I had the 400. But I'll take the 205 on 2 accounts. Let's see if we get some structure here. I'm still waiting for this flag. We're above that second target.
Yeah, we're coming into like areas where I have trend lines drawn, like, you know, like my horizontal lines, and we're coming into that zone from previous days, so it's interesting.
Come on, pop it up. Come on, give it to me. Give it to me, Betsy.
Give it to me, baby.
Yeah, I closed 120 on that. I don't like this price action right here. I feel like we're getting ready to rocket ship. But
We're coming out on a big daddy 24,000. So keep that in mind. That could be why it's reacting the way it is.
yeah. Possibly, actually. Possibly.
Because that's a biggie. You know, that's a big number.
Oh, what account was that? Well, I'll hold off before rotating just in case. Just in case we get a good little move here. Let's switch up the music here. Let's switch up the freaking music. So we can pump the market up. Just closed again, 336. Now I'm done. It is too easy to spot the flags, champ. That's awesome. Bro, once you see him, you can't unsee him. Niner, that's awesome, bro. Glad you're able to use the flags on top of what you already do to help you execute that much better, bro. Love to see it. All right, Market, what are we trying to do? Are we going to build this flag in rocket ship? I need something. I need something. We over here just printing money today. We do have selling pressure up here right now. We need these bulls to clear out some of these previous wicks. I'm patiently waiting. I'll close that 490 right there. 490 on 5 accounts. And the other account's got like 580. The other one's got 580, 510. We'll take that. We will gladly take that. And actually now, let me set up a new copy trade for my Tradeify. Because I got 2 Tradeify selected eval accounts just sitting. And I'm going to put them in for a copy trade. That one is 1, 2, 2. And we will copy trade. What account's that one? 6, 2, 4. Tuning in from Tennessee. What's up, my brother from another mother? Hopefully you're doing well today. Hey, see you on Monday, Smooth. Good job today. Good job today. Everyone that's dialed in and simply executing, waiting for their move, trusting their systems and strategies to pay them. That's all we're doing here, folks. And actually, I'm going to take, oh, it's still, my bad. I didn't put the screen back on. That's kind of good. Let me add up to see how much we did today so far. Let me add this up real quick. Just to see, you know what I'm saying? Just to see how we've done so far today. We did get a payout today from Lucid Trader. It was a 2K request max payout from Lucid. And that money already hit the account. It took 27 minutes for it to hit my bank account. So 3 of those. 1, 2, 3. Yep. I'll make sure I got all those. Yep. Cool. Cool beans. Cool beans. 258.48. So we're up $4,500 for the day. That's a solid little day right there. And I still got accounts I haven't even traded yet. Yep, do not give those profits back, Motion. Do not do that, sir.
You're going to be getting in on some amazing trades.
Yeah, I'm still trading out. I just switched over to these 2 select eval accounts. We're going to put some money in these accounts.
Do you think we went over the top since we kind of touched 24?
Hold on, guys. She's like, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. She didn't say that. I'm just playing.
Listen, you silly goose. It looks like it went up to 24, and now it's kind of chilling. So I was just wondering if you think it's going to crest over.
Right now, the 5-minute, that's looking like a somewhat of a bull flag, but we need more momentum here. Terrell, honestly, do not trade your own personal capital. Trade with prop firms. It's the best way to trade, to be honest with you. You can print so much more money trading with prop firms than trading personal funds. So if you have $1,000 to invest, take $900 and put it back in your pocket. Take $100, buy evaluation with any prop firm you choose, and trade with that prop firm. You will thank me later, sir. You're welcome. So we fell off that 24,000 level. If we get through that pivot, we're going to sell off really fast. I would like us to see like some type of a bear flag if we're going to be taking a short here. Let me get another line so that way I can put my line in the sand. So this bottom yellow line here is the line I want us to go through with follow through for me to take a short.
Hey, where is your, you said there's a pivot there. I don't have it. So where is that pivot?
The pivot on Ninja Trader is sitting at 92875. The pivot on my trading view though, 92850. Hey, we'll take it. They're on the same lawn. You know what I'm saying? That's crazy.
There's a Camarilla pivot that's on top of it. That's why it's like they're overlapping. That's why.
Okay. For everyone on the YouTube streams, please go ahead, hit that like button, hit that sub button, because by you liking these streams, clicking that button, it lets YouTube know that they need to push these streams further. And we want to be everywhere, folks. And I need y'all's help to do it. Appreciate y'all. Patiently waiting here. Patiently waiting. This may be a rocket ship here, but we do have that 24,000 hold number, and that's a big one. 24,000 even, that's a big old hold number. So definitely be careful with that.
Yeah, it needs to break through that because it's like every time it kind of just turned around.
I say this: once if it gets to that 24,000 area, breaks through it, skyrocket.
Hey, we're here for it, bro. We're here for it.
Skyrocket, baby. imagine still being in that trade from the 600s? Oh, God. I wish that was my funding.
All right, so we're coming down to this pivot here. Let's see what we get. It's going to speed up very quickly here if we lose this pivot point. If we lose this pivot, it's going to be a fast drop. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get here. I'm patiently waiting here. We got to get through that pivot, though. I got to get through that pivot with momentum for me to take a short. And then it does that, so as soon as I looked away, it popped.
I saw you do the side eye, like you looked out of the corner of your glasses, and your face was like, "Come on!"
Like, come on.
I'm telling you, it's either gonna like shoot down or it's gonna just pierce that 24 and just haul off.
Yeah. Yeah, right now, this is a no trade zone for myself. No trade zone for myself.
Yeah, it needs to either lose the pivot or get above 24, right?
Yep.
Yeah, that's basically what you're thinking.
But right now, don't trade the chop. Do not trade the chop.
Oh, my hands are off, man.
No, I'm telling everybody else, not you, Steve. I know you don't trade the chop. Me and you, we never trade the chop.
No, I've traded the chop plenty of times. It's like, if I misidentify it, but you kind of getting that optimistic spin, but never willfully.
Yeah. I'm kind of happy that we can't trade tomorrow because it gives me the opportunity to take. Oh my goodness. All right, come up to my yellow line. Let me get ready. It's going to give me time to record some bangers for you tomorrow.
And the overnight sessions are going to be weird too, because I wonder if they're even trading tonight.
They are. Markets close at like 9 a.m.
Okay.
We popped through my yellow line.
Oh.
Horrible fill there.
Horrible fill.
Yeah, that was a horrible fill. Because it lagged so much. Take me to the moon.
Is it going to give us a flag now?
I closed 220 right there. 220 on 2 accounts. But I don't like the price action. We're starting to build another bull flag. So that's why do I sit in this? Or do I just close, take the green and run? Let's go, Motion. Let's go, bro. Terrell, yes. So I always recommend Tradeify, Lucid, and Take Profit Trader in that order, sir. If you use Tradeify, use code LWS, that will get you 40% off your account. No subscription, it's a one-time fee. Grab Lost, go ahead, boy. Look, bro, you guys are simply printing with me today. I freaking love it. Yeah, same thing. I had a horrible fill, bro.
Horrible fill.
Well, I'll say oops. 1475 on 2 freaking accounts right there. Your boy just don't miss. He just don't freaking miss. Let me make sure the copy trader worked perfectly. Oh, it did. This thing's going straight to the freaking moon, boys.
Let's go.
And it's only 10:36. Jesus. I gotta switch to another account. I gotta hurry up. I can't move fast enough. $3K. Go ahead, BP. Go ahead, bro. Let's freaking go.
The BP is in the house.
Yo, this thing is absolutely pumping right now. We just popped 200 points. 200 freaking points, boys. If you didn't make money on that, you're on the wrong stream. No, I'm just playing. You're on the right stream. You're doing good. Oh, I thought you did it, BP. I was excited for you, bro.
Tell Double Dynamite to come on the Zoom, man.
Steve says come on the Zoom. Come on the Zoom, he says.
So we had that news at 10:30. That's what's up.
Rotate back to this account. Let's see if we can add some of this one. Let's see if we get another flag. Right now, market's very volatile. Very volatile right now, so be careful, folks. Make sure you're honoring your risks and you're honoring your stop losses, everything like that. Don't just be jumping in because it's just pumping.
We also got to honor BP, man.
He's low-key about jump off, Steve. He said he doesn't want to talk to you and me. Oh, look at that pullback. Ooh, that's dirty. That's dirty.
That's dirty like BP then. BP. Like you're doing me dirty, man.
Let's see if we build another bull flag. Today, the bulls have definitely been pumping.
Well, we had that natural gas news.
Yep. But it's coming right back down right now. Ooh-wee. Yeah, so today was another, probably like, I'll have to add it up. I think we're like close to like 7K a day. All right, down to that pivot. Came right back down to that pivot point. We're below the 5th target, which is crazy to say. 5th target. Tim, everybody's been printing this morning, bro. Good morning, sir. Took a Lucid payout this morning, a 2K payout with Lucid. I'll be taking a payout probably later today from Tradeify. Or I may wait till Monday to take the payout so we can see how fast it hits the account. All right, we'll gladly take 735 on 2 accounts. Sign me up. Sign your boy up. If we keep this good movement, I may do one more trade on these 2 accounts here. Let's see if we get this bull flag. Worry. Green is green, bro. Green is green.
I was actually trading my self-funded accounts in this market today, so I kind of broke my own rule, but it was good.
Yeah. Be careful right now. For everyone that's executing trades, be careful.
No, I'm not executing anything right now.
We got a lot of volume right now. Lots of volume. You do not want to get caught up on the wrong side of it. Coming right back down to this pivot point. All right, so we're through that pivot.
Seconds on the candle.
Thank you.
Come on, Bessie.
It's not trying to give it.
I was building that flag, but if it just will lose that pivot, come on.
Yeah, I closed out of that. I saw that pop coming. Even if it depends on what firm you're trading with.
$13.20 on my funding.
Let's go.
Awesome.
I caught the pullback. Oh. 13.20. Let's go.
Burning like a fire. Come on, give me my pop.
Come on. Go higher.
We always up. We always up, fam. We got it's 10:47. 10:47. No. I feel like we're getting ready to, like, this thing's building a big old flag right here. If we stay above this pivot, man, can't even talk. If we stay
Put down a cigar, man.
my bad, my bad. Going to show off nice? Possibly. That's what I'm expecting. That's what I'm expecting. Came right. We're at this pivot. We're at this pivot. We may be that 2 minute and the 5 minute look like we're building a big old bull flag. Oh, we're below the pivot now. I probably don't want it dropping below. How big is this pole? Yeah, it's a big pole. Probably like the 90s. I don't want it dropping below the 90s. What's up, Travis? What did you miss? What did you not miss, bro? Markets are moving, fam. Markets are moving. You're just jumping in. Let me put a new. Where's it at? Where's my copy trader? Just in case we get something here. Just in case. Just in case. Oh, I was on the wrong one. Oops. Oh, no. I'll take that off, actually. Let me confirm the right account that I'm trading just so that way I'm not blowing stuff.
Oh, I mean, it's like when you accidentally trade the wrong account, it's kind of white knuckle ride sometimes.
Yeah, it's a gut punch. It's a gut punch.
Even if you make it, you're like, oh, what am I doing? I'm risking that much.
Yep, so if oil's dumping, Nasdaq would be pumping. If oil's pumping, Nasdaq would dump. So oil pumping, Nasdaq dumps. Oil dumps, Nasdaq pumps. Travis, that's crazy, bro. Straight printing, bro. Straight printing. I would like to see a flag here. Travis, we've all been there. We've all done that. Good job with catching it. Okay, I didn't get filled, but now I'm filled. Okay, great. Well, I'll take that base hit right there. 580. Still pumping. I closed out that pivot point. This should be the bull flag right here. As long as we get above that pivot, this should be the bull flag. No stream tomorrow morning, Travis. No stream tomorrow morning since markets are closed. But we will have our traders hang out like usual. And I'm going to take the time since I won't be able to stream. Well, I could, but there's nothing to stream about. But I'm going to take that time to actually record some educational content for y'all.
You could do like an interpretive dance based on your life.
An interpretive dance? I don't think you guys want to watch that. Just saying. Also, my protein powder was delivered. We'll take that.
You have that lightning delivery, like, boom.
We're still below this pivot. We get above this pivot. I don't know. Your boy would be pretty long, I would say. Because this is looking like a big old bull flag. But we want that follow through. A legacy dance routine for winning trades. We need it. What's up, White Mamba? Took another payout this morning, Travis, from Lucid. Took a 2K payout from them. It took 27 minutes for the money to hit the account this morning. Solid. Straight solid. Put a little bit more in right there. Just a quick little scalp. Nothing crazy, like 100 something bucks. Tap my yellow line.
Come on, baby.
Come on, Betsy.
Come on, baby. Let's do the Macarena. Let's go.
Not the Macarena. Come on, Betsy.
15 seconds on the candle.
I close. I'm done. I need to stop trading. Because doing too much, still making money, but doing too much at this point. I don't want to start over trading. Let me look at the chat. Duane, need the music playlist link. What's up, Big Black? That was $860 on 2 accounts right there. We're up over $8,000 today. No, so I will. My bad, Andrew. I got caught up yesterday. Handled some stuff offline for one of my businesses. I forgot to send you the workspace. You will get that today, sir. What's up, Red? How we do today? Did everyone print money today?
Yeah, we did good.
Red, we did pretty well. Like about $8,000, a little bit over $8,000 today. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. A light Thursday. Hey, let's go, Laws. 2,500, bro. Awesome. Were you doing your own little strategy? Were you using my strategy? What were you doing, fam? I want to hear it. Big Black's up 1,900. Hey, let's go. We will gladly take that. I took a Lucid payout this morning, a 2K max payout with them on the 50K account. It took 27 minutes for it to hit the bank account. So that's pretty cool. Not gonna lie, that is pretty cool. Yeah, I requested one this morning. That already hit the account. I may wait to request a 2K payout on Monday from Tradeify to see how fast that one drops in the account live with you guys. Because we're doing the battle of the firms. Whose payouts come faster?
Hey, Duane, I think we should have like a production meeting because I have some ideas on that video, like to contrast the firms.
Yeah.
I think it would be a really good thing to put on YouTube because you have a lot of good information. You break it down real nice, and it'd be pretty easy for you to do. So I'm talking to you now.
I'm game. I'm game.
I doubled the size of my self-funded account. I doubled the size of it.
That's awesome, Steve. Good job, bro.
Even though I'm also taking payouts from it too.
That's awesome. No, I'm proud of you. Like, for real, I'm honestly proud of you, Steve. To see your growth with this trading journey it makes me happy. It makes me happy, bro.
Well,
I'm glad you didn't quit when things were rough. Like, all of us, we all have those thoughts. Like, when we keep getting punched in the freaking face, we ask ourselves, do I want to keep doing this? Do I want to keep getting punched?
Hey, Bug, I gotta ask you something. Have I ever missed a stream? I walked away. I mean, unless I was like, obviously, let you know that I was camping in the woods.
No.
Nope.
You're always on these streams. Always.
So it's like I fought through it, even though I was like pissed, man, because it's like, no, I'm not gonna like. This is a way of life. So I'm gonna pick up some fresh evals.
Okay.
Take your word for it. Get some evals going again.
Nice, Loss. When did you join the community, bro? Jeez. Okay, we'll take that. I was wondering, one of my customers, they were behind. They were behind a little bit. Got a payment receipt for $6,000. We'll gladly receive that. Don't mind if we do. Yesterday, okay. Well, let me double check. I thought I added everybody yesterday. Let me log in, check real quick. Yeah, so I added everybody yesterday, so you should be in the community. Welcome. Yeah, so the portion of the community, since you're in on the free side, Loss, that gets you access to the community discussion, the motivational page. I believe that's the two pages that you have access to. Those are the ones that everyone has access since those are free. But ask questions in the community discussion. Everyone in the community will respond with answers, everything like that. The paid tiers, that's where you get my actual full strategy. That's where you get the tutorial of my strategy. I break it down, what I'm looking for, how I'm looking at the Rinkos, the whole nine. So you can get that from the builder's plan and up. The builder's plan is $20. So clearly, when someone says $20, that lets you know they're not in it for the money. I'll just say that right there. $20 they ain't even getting my daughter something from McDonald's at this point. She eating crazy these days. I think I probably got like 2 more minutes on the stream, and this thing getting ready to rip. But I'm not going to touch it. I'm not even going to look. I'm going to turn my head the other way. Motion, I think I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done executing trades. I printed way too much money a day. Solid way to go out the week. You know what I'm saying? No red days this week. All green days. I actually had to add up my total for the week. Because what? Yesterday was 6,700. The day before that was 2,900. So this was well over $15,000 this week. The market is closed tomorrow for Good Friday.
Hey, when are you doing your Colombia trip, Duane?
I gotta figure out time frames with my girl. But possibly like the last week of the month, I may be in Colombia. We just gotta check the travel schedules for us because I'm actually calling Topgolf today to reserve our tables for the 18th for the Florida Traders meetup. Big Black, you're in Colombia? Oh yeah, you're from Bogota. You're in Bogota, from Dallas, from Texas. Yep. Yeah, I remember, fam. Yup. All right. Now I feel better. Now I gotta go. Now I gotta go to Bogota to visit one of the Legacy Wealth Society members in Colombia. What's up, Mitch?
I wonder where you went, man.
Yeah, my grandmother wanted to go shopping first thing this morning, so I had to hop off and take her shopping. So got a lot of groceries today.
Mitchell, you're such a good grandson.
Man, I'm trying to be. But I did snag some moves while we were shopping though. 716 on the day.
716. That's awesome, bro.
And you know what's crazy? Is every time I entered and would go up a little bit, looking at the range, we're always at the bottom of the ranges. If I just held it, shit, boy, we would have been.
Listen, you printed money in a grocery store 716, bro. Like, you printed it, fam. Like, accept the win. Accept it. You did it.
I know. I'm just saying where I entered, it was like peak is like prime spots to enter. You know?
Yes, but don't mind F yourself. Like, man, if I would have just stayed in, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's how that FOMO comes and you start giving it back. Trust me. I've been there, done that.
Nothing back. I'm locking in. I'm staying out for sure.
Yeah, I'm done trading as well. I'm getting off here at 11:10. 11:10, I'm getting off.
Anybody up for the day? Down for the day?
Oh, we did over 8K a day.
Let's go.
And took a payout from Lucid this morning.
Fire. Steve, how about you?
I did great, man.
Yeah, let's go. Who else is here? G? Where's G at?
Yeah, I actually traded some of my self-funded accounts, you know, some of my brokerage accounts, so it was good. I mean, I usually trade those in the overnight, but I brought them out here, so it's awesome.
He brought them into the wild.
Into the daylight, for real. All right, kiddos. Go survive.
Go survive. Warrior, Monday's a new day, bro. Monday's a new day. You'll get it back.
Is Brad on here? Hello, Brad. No Brad?
He's in here, but he ain't talking.
Well, hopefully he did well.
And then sometimes you talk to G and he'll just be quiet, but he did great, I'm sure, because he did 1320 and it's funded.
Yep.
All right, let's go.
Yeah, I can take a payout this afternoon from Tradeify once the account's reset, but I may wait till Monday to do the payout so we can see how fast it is. That's what I'm thinking. I'm not sure yet. I may just take my payout so that way I can trade on Monday with that account.
Might as well.
I may have to do that actually because I want the clean 5 days again.
Take the money, man. Take the money.
Oh, I'm not worried about that. I'm up over $4,000 in that account. So I'll do the max. Well, not the max. I'll do a 2K payout.
I'll be fired.
Then I got another account that's primed for a payout next week as well. So we're just slow and steady. That's it.
I'm liking the music today. This is good.
Well, this is our hangout music. That's why you liking it. I put some of the Trader hangout music on.
Yeah, I like that.
Okay, that's what it is because it kind of had like a familiarity, but there you go.
Yeah, this is the Trader Hangout playlist.
It's got me in a good mood, man.
I feel that. I feel that. Well, family and friends, it's time for your boy to jump off here. Tonight we got the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. Talking trading, talking life, and everything in between. Excited to see y'all tonight. For my market makers, nothing but love. Happy that you guys were winning today. And have a great rest of your day. YouTube family and Legacy family on the YouTube stream, love you guys. Have a great rest of the day as well. Get that money and stay safe in the markets.
None of that.
Definitely so, baby.
All right, guys. Have a good one.
Have a good one. Talk to y'all later.
See ya, everybody.
See ya.
So,
See you later.
later.
All right, Big Black. See you tonight, fam.